Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need to start with the essentials. Make sure your iPhone supports standby and is on iOS 17 or later. Once confirmed, plug the phone into power so the feature activates reliably. Standby engages when charging or on landscape with a charger or MagSafe. Now open Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and scroll to Standby. Do this immediately so you're in the right menu. The next steps change behavior and layout, not basic connectivity. You'll switch Standby on and choose how information appears. Tap the Standby toggle, then pick a clock style and widget layout. This controls glanceable data while charging. Once done, set Auto Lock and tap to show so the screen conserves energy yet wakes when you need it. Also choose Information Density, minimal for low distraction, detailed for more data. These choices determine what you see and why Standby stays useful without draining battery. Now test it. Place your iPhone in landscape while charging and watch Standby appear. If it doesn't show, restart the phone and make sure iOS is up to date. Sometimes a reboot solves background conflicts. Once active, tweak widgets and brightness until the display suits you. If problems persist, reset display settings or remove and re-add widgets. As a last resort, contact Apple support. This ensures there isn't a hardware or system-level issue preventing Standby from working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.